In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links and buttons on Weebly. Whether you're building a personal website, a professional portfolio, or an online store, being able to add interactive elements is essential for creating an engaging user experience. So let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to the Weebly site editor. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you're on the Weebly website, and from there you should easily find the option to access your site editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll be seeing your website layout along with a series of tools on the left sidebar. This editor is where you'll be making changes to your site's appearance and functionality. Now, to add a button to your site, simply drag the button element from the left sidebar over to your desired location on the web page. As you drag it, you'll notice that certain areas of your site are highlighted, indicating potential drop spots. Selecting the right spot can make all the difference in maintaining a clear and intuitive layout for your audience. Once the button is placed, it's time to customize it. Click on the button you've just added. Doing so will open up the button settings, allowing you to give your button a purpose. Select the link option that appears. You'll encounter several linking possibilities here. These include linking to a page within your website, an external website, a post, a phone number for calls, or even a file for people to download. This flexibility allows your button to serve the exact function you need. For our tutorial, let's choose to link to a website URL. This is particularly useful if you're directing visitors to another site, such as a partner's website or an external article. Once you've selected the website URL option, you'll see a field where you can enter the URL. Type or paste the full URL of the site you want to link to, ensuring you've double-checked it for accuracy. A slight typo can lead visitors to an unintended destination. With the URL entered, it's a good practice to test the link to confirm that it works as expected. Before finalizing, consider how well the button's placement and purpose align with your overall site design and marketing strategy. Make sure it's visible and enticing, encouraging users to click through for more information or services. And there you have it, your button with an active link is now ready to enhance your site. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your site to see how everything looks. This simple addition can significantly improve user interaction on your website, helping you achieve your website goals more effectively. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to make your Weebly site more dynamic and user-friendly, providing a better experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy editing on Weebly.